Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set proofing language in OneNote. Let's begin. First, open OneNote on your PC or laptop and make sure your notebook is open and ready. At the top of the screen right over here, click on Review tab in the ribbon, then select Language, right? So over here, click on the drop down and then choose Language Preferences. In the Office Authoring Languages and Proofing section right over here, find your preferred language, right? If it's not listed, you can click on Add a Language and install it. So you could just type anything, for example, English, let's just say Japanese. We can easily add those. Japanese, click on Add, and then once you have selected your language, click Set as Preferred and then press OK to save. And that's it. You have now successfully set the proofing language in OneNote, making writing and editing more accurate and efficient. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.